Trading can be tough, it's emotional, it's time-consuming. It often feels like you're battling against forces you can't control. You see a stock soaring, but you hesitate. Fear grips you and you miss out. Or you jump in too late, riding the wave down as it crashes. Sound familiar? Many traders struggle with these challenges. They let emotions cloud their judgment. They lack the discipline to stick to a plan. They chase hot tips and fall for pump and dump schemes. It's a recipe for frustration and often financial loss. But what if there was a better way? What if you could remove the emotion, the guesswork, and the endless hours of chart analysis? Imagine a tireless assistant working 24/7 to identify profitable trades. This assistant doesn't sleep, doesn't get emotional, and makes decisions based on cold, hard data. That's the power of an AI trading bot. These bots are powered by artificial intelligence. They analyze market data, identify patterns, and execute trades based on predefined rules. They can react to market changes in real time, taking advantage of opportunities that human traders might miss. Whether you're a seasoned trader or just starting, AI bots offer several advantages. They can eliminate emotional trading. Bots follow your strategy, not your feelings. They trade 24/7. Never miss an opportunity while you're sleeping. They backtest strategies. Test your ideas on historical data before risking real money. Building your own AI trading bot might seem daunting, but it's more achievable than you think. Let's dive into the tools and techniques you'll need. Before we start building, let's gather our tools. Here's what you'll need. Python. This powerful programming language is the backbone of our bot. Its simple syntax and extensive libraries make it ideal for building trading algorithms. Libraries. Think of these as pre-built toolboxes for Python. We'll use pandas for organizing and analyzing market data, NumPy for numerical computations, matplotlib for visualizing data and trading performance, Trading API. This acts as a bridge between your bot and your brokerage account, allowing it to place trades automatically. We'll explore popular options later. Data source. Your bot needs data to learn and make decisions. We'll discuss sources for historical and real-time market data. Don't worry if some of these terms sound unfamiliar. We'll cover them in detail as we go. For now, just make sure you have Python installed on your computer. With our tools assembled, let's set up our coding environment. This is where we'll write, test, and run our bot. Choose an IDE. An integrated development environment, IDE, is like a specialized text editor for coding. Popular options include VS Code, PyCharm, and Atom. Choose one that suits your preference. Create a project folder. Keep your code organized by creating a dedicated folder for your bot project. Install libraries. Use Python's package manager, pip, to install the necessary libraries. Open your terminal or command prompt and type pip install pandas numpy matplotlib. Test your setup. Create a new Python file, for example, mytradingbot.py, and add a simple print statement. Print hello world. Run the file. If you see hello world printed, your environment is set up correctly. Bringing your bot to life. Coding the basics. Now let's start writing the code for our bot. We'll begin with a basic structure and gradually add more functionality. Open your file and add the following: import pandas as PD class tradingbot def self. This code defines a class. Connecting to the market, integrating trading APIs. To interact with the market, our bot needs a way to communicate with our brokerage account. This is where trading APIs come in. Popular brokerage platforms like Alpaca, TD Ameritrade, and Interactive Brokers offer APIs for developers. Research and choose one that aligns with your needs and trading platform. Once you've selected an API, you'll need to create an account, if you don't already have one, and obtain API keys. These keys act as your bot's credentials to access your trading account. Most APIs provide Python libraries to simplify the integration process. Install the library for your chosen API using pip. For example, pip install Alpaca Trade API. Within your class, use your API keys to authenticate your bot from Alpaca. Self, API underscore key, secret underscore key. Self, API equal sign, rest, API key, secret underscore key. Replace and with your actual credentials. Now your bot can access your trading account and execute trades. Data as fuel: importing and preparing market data. Data is the lifeblood of our AI trading bot. We need to feed it historical and real-time market data to make informed decisions. Options include: many brokerage APIs provide historical and real-time data. Companies like Yahoo Finance, AlphaVantage, and Tingo offer free and paid data APIs. Extract data directly from websites, though this can be more complex and less reliable. Use your chosen API or method to retrieve historical data for the assets you want to trade. For example, barset = self API get barset AAPL day limit = 1000. Convert the retrieved data into a format suitable for analysis. Pandas data frames are excellent for this purpose. df = pd data frame barset APL df.index = pd.toDateTime dft. Now you have a data frame containing historical data for Apple, ready for analysis by your bot's trading strategies. The brain of your bot implementing trading strategies. This is where the AI magic happens. We'll define the rules and logic that govern our bot's trading decisions. Choose a strategy. There are countless trading strategies, from simple moving average crossovers to complex machine learning algorithms. Research and select one that aligns with your trading style and risk tolerance. Implement the strategy. Translate your chosen strategy into code. This involves defining indicators, entry and exit rules, and position sizing logic. For example, a simple moving average crossover strategy, DF's MA20, = DF close, rolling window 20. Mean DF's MA50 = DF close, rolling window 50. Mean if DF's MA21, DF's MA51, and DF's MA22, DF's MA52. Before deploying your bot live, thoroughly test your strategy on historical data to evaluate its performance and identify potential flaws. Remember, the key is to start simple and gradually add complexity as you gain confidence. Backtesting and optimization, refining your bot's performance. Backtesting is crucial for evaluating your bot's performance and making improvements. Backtesting frameworks. Libraries like Backtrader and Zipline provide frameworks for backtesting trading strategies. Run backtests. Feed your bot historical data and simulate trades based on your strategy. Analyze the results, including profit and loss, win rate, and maximum drawdown. Optimize parameters. Fine-tune your strategy's parameters, like moving average periods and stop-loss levels, to improve performance. Use techniques like grid search or optimization algorithms to find optimal settings. Backtesting helps you understand how your bot would have performed in the past and identify areas for improvement. Troubleshooting and fine-tuning. Building a trading bot is an iterative process. Expect to encounter bugs, unexpected behavior, and the need for adjustments. Debugging. Use your IDE's debugging tools to step through your code, identify errors, and understand the flow of execution. Logging. Implement logging to record your bot's actions, decisions, and any errors that occur. This provides valuable insights into its behavior. Monitoring. Once deployed, monitor your bot's performance closely and be prepared to intervene if necessary. Remember, even the most sophisticated bots require ongoing monitoring and adjustments to adapt to changing market conditions. Unleash your AI trader conclusion and call to action. Congratulations, you've now built the foundation for your own AI trading bot. While we've covered the essential steps, the world of algorithmic trading is vast and constantly evolving. Continue learning. Explore advanced trading strategies, machine learning techniques, and risk management principles. Experiment and iterate. Don't be afraid to experiment with different strategies, parameters, and data sources. The key is to continuously learn and improve. Start small. Begin with small amounts of capital and gradually increase your risk as you gain confidence in your bot's performance. Building an AI trading bot is an empowering journey. It allows you to leverage the power of technology to navigate the complexities of the financial markets. So, what are you waiting for? Start building your own AI trader today.